in the case of Brahmaputra, the unthinkable though has a framework, and that framework comes from, to my mind, three issues. One is that both India as well as China are water starved. If you look 100 years ahead, then there are various estimates, and whichever estimate we take, the conclusion would be that we will be short of drinking water by a very large measure, and so also would be China. China's added grief, of course, is that their geographical structure is such that one part of China has always remained water starved, and therefore the water diversion projects and the three routes that they talk about, some of them are activated, some of them are not. Some of them perhaps are undergoing technical feasibility studies. Some of them could be just pipe dreams, but whatever. The ground reality is that there is a real crisis of water that looms over Asia and involving these two very major countries. Second aspect to this is that there is an effort by China to emerge as a water hegemon in the region. This is very evident from the fact that the way they are dealt with their partners, or rather their neighbors along the Mekong, and there's some lesson to be learned from there. And the third, of course, is the climate. There is a commitment, I think, from their side to reduce thermal exposure by 15% by China. It could vary here and there, but to my mind, I think I'm right. If I'm right, 15% is what they're committed. Now, if we take these three things together, how is it that they're going to address their water crisis? Number one, how is it that they're going to reduce the thermal exposure by 15% to meet the climate change goals? And three, how are they going to balance their aspirations of being not just an Asian hegemon, but a global player, and of course to emerge as an Asian hegemon? And how does one respond to all the three? What are the implications of that kind of a thinking done by our northeastern neighbor?